Imagine tens of thousands of young women, bare-chested and adorned in vibrant beads, dancing in unison for their king. This isn't a movie set. It's the Umhlanga, or reed dance held every year in Eswatini. But don't mistake it for a simple spectacle. The Umhlanga is a centuries-old ceremony, a powerful statement of unity, purity, and national pride. The festival begins with maidens from across the kingdom gathering to cut tall reeds, led by a Swazi princess. These reeds are a symbolic offering to the Queen Mother, used to repair the windbreak around her royal residence, a gesture of respect and a sign of the maiden's role in strengthening the nation. The highlight is the reed-giving ceremony at the Umhlanga royal residence, where the maidens, dressed in beaded skirts and colorful sashes, present their reeds and perform for the King and Queen Mother. The air fills with singing, rhythmic stomping, and the jingle of ankle bracelets, a mesmerizing display of cultural identity. For these young women, it's a declaration of chastity, a rite of passage, and a way to honor their families and heritage. In a world where traditions often fade, the Umhlanga stands as a vibrant testament to Eswatini's commitment to its culture. It's a living history lesson, connecting youth to their ancestors and uniting the nation. From rural villages to the royal court, the festival reminds everyone of their shared identity as Swazis. The Umhlanga is more than a dance. It's the heartbeat of a nation, made visible for all to see. It's a celebration of pride, unity, and the enduring spirit of Eswatini. Where is this magical kingdom? Eswatini, tucked in southern Africa, is bordered by South Africa and Mozambique. Once known as Swaziland, it reclaimed its pre-colonial name in 2018, marking a return to its roots and a break from colonial confusion. Despite its small size, just over 17,000 square kilometers, Eswatini is home to about 1.2 million people. Most live in rural areas, where tradition is a way of life and community is everything. Here, family ties are strong, and cultural practices are woven into daily routines. Yet Eswatini faces modern challenges, access to healthcare and education, and one of the world's highest HIV rates. The epidemic has deeply affected families and the healthcare system, but the Swazi people's resilience shines through. Local and international efforts continue to fight HIV and improve lives. Eswatini's spirit is one of quiet strength and dignity, balancing ancient identity with modern realities. Its rich history informs the present, and community bonds provide strength for the future. From its new name to its ancient traditions, Eswatini insists on defining itself. It's a small kingdom with a giant heart, inviting the world to discover its majesty. Eswatini is proof that even the smallest nations can have the loudest voices. Eswatini's landscapes are as varied as its culture, packed into a tiny area. The west is the high veld, mountainous, cool, and lush, with pine forests and waterfalls. The middle veld is a fertile plateau, the agricultural heartland where most people live and food is grown. The Eswatini Valley, or Valley of Heaven, is the main tourist hub, blending natural beauty with modern comforts. Further east, the low veld is classic African savanna, hot, dry, and home to major wildlife reserves like Plain Royal National Park. Here, Africa's Big Five roam, and safaris offer intimate, uncrowded encounters with nature. The far east is the Lubombo Mountains, a volcanic ridge forming the border with Mozambique, home to unique flora and small communities. Each region tells a different story, from misty highlands to sun-drenched plains. A journey across Eswatini is like traveling through a continent in miniature. The land itself is a living tapestry, reflecting the kingdom's diversity and beauty. Eswatini's geography is a key part of its magic. Eswatini has two capitals, reflecting its dual identity, modern and traditional. Mbabane, perched in the high veld, is the administrative and commercial center, bustling with government, business, and modern life. Its cool climate and mix of modern and colonial architecture make it the practical face of the nation. Then there's Lobamba, nestled in the Eswatini Valley, the spiritual and legislative capital. Lobamba is home to Parliament, the Royal Kraal, and the Umhlanga royal residence, where major ceremonies like the Umhlanga take place. Here the King and Queen Mother uphold the nation's most sacred traditions. If Mbabane is the brain, Lobamba is the heart, a place where history and ritual are ever present. the National Museum and royal ceremonies offer glimpses into Swazi heritage. This dual capital system lets Eswatini embrace progress without losing its roots. It's a brilliant balance of modernity and tradition. The two capitals together embody the nation's soul. Eswatini thrives by honoring both its past and its future. In Eswatini, culture is more than heritage. It's an economic engine. The Umhlanga festival draws thousands of visitors, filling hotels, restaurants, and markets, and creating opportunities for local businesses. The festival's impact ripples through the economy, supporting transport operators, tour guides, and artisans. It puts Eswatini on the international map, encouraging tourists to explore beyond the festival. Agriculture remains vital, with sugarcane as the main cash crop and subsistence farming sustaining rural families. This deep connection to the land is both cultural and practical, providing a safety net for many. Eswatini's strategy of monetizing tradition creates jobs and keeps culture alive. It's a model for balancing economic growth with cultural preservation. By turning heritage into opportunity, Eswatini ensures its traditions remain vibrant. The kingdom proves you don't have to choose between progress and identity. Here, tradition and modernity fuel each other. Language in Eswatini is a window into its soul. Siswati, spoken by 90% of the population, is a melodic Bantu language with distinctive click sounds. English, a legacy of British rule, is the language of business and government, making Eswatini accessible to visitors. Bilingualism bridges local identity and global engagement. Greetings are profound. Sawubona means, I see you, acknowledging the other's humanity. The response, Yebo Sawubona, means, yes, I see you too. This exchange is more than politeness. It's a philosophy of connection and respect. Rushing a greeting is rude. Taking time to see and acknowledge others is essential. These customs reinforce community and mutual respect. In Eswatini, every relationship starts with truly seeing one another. Sawubona is the foundation of Swazi social life. In Eswatini, clothing is a language, signaling age, status, and life stage. Young maidens wear simple skirts and short hair, symbols of youth and freedom. Married women adopt the beehive hairstyle and cowhide skirts, marking their new roles and responsibilities. A shave head signals widowhood, a public sign of mourning. Men's attire, especially during ceremonies, includes colorful wraps, animal skins, and beaded ornaments, reflecting status and heritage. Beadwork carries coded messages about love, family, and social standing. A beaded necklace can express affection or intent without a word. Dressing in Eswatini is an act of identity, weaving individuals into the social fabric. Every outfit tells a story, connecting the wearer to tradition and community. In Eswatini, what you wear truly speaks volumes. Marriage in Eswatini is a union of families, shaped by ancient customs. Polygamy, though less common today, remains significant, especially in the royal family. The core of traditional marriage is lobola, bride price, paid in cattle as a gesture of respect and gratitude. Negotiating lobola is a formal process involving both families, forging strong bonds between clans. Once lobola is paid, the marriage is recognized by the community, even before any civil ceremony. These customs highlight the communal nature of marriage and the importance of family. While modern weddings are on the rise, traditional practices remain powerful. In Eswatini, marriage is about building a legacy that endures. Eswatini may be small, but its spirit is immense. The country's warmth, dignity, and vibrant culture leave a lasting impression. Life here is affordable and unhurried, inviting visitors to slow down and savor the moment. From rhino tracking to craft markets and choir performances, Eswatini offers diverse experiences. The kingdom's quirky laws, like banning drones and witches on broomsticks above 150 meters, reflect its blend of modern and mystical. Challenges remain, especially in health and education, but the Swazi people's resilience is extraordinary. The spirit of Ubuntu, shared humanity, thrives here. Eswatini is a land where ancient rituals and modern ambitions coexist. Its true wealth lies in culture, community, and spirit. Eswatini is more than a destination. It's an invitation to see the world differently.